I've got an exciting microcap crypto I want to talk about in this video. And the funny thing is, it's the same kind of project, or the same. It's the same community. Well, behind it, it's all about CZ. So CZ was the former founder of Binance, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. Before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest any money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. My name's ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. Let's get to it. So, in fact, there are two CZ cryptos on appearing on Coingecko. So this is the one that I have the thumbnail for, CZ the Goat, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. And as you can see here, the price has gone really low for quite a while now. In January. When did this come out? So this is still new, relatively. It's only been out a couple of months, essentially. So it had a massive upside here, and the hype has gone down for ages. So maybe this could be something for the long term. I don't hold any of this token at the time of recording, but if you go buy, you can get this on Mexi, Bitmart, Pancake Swap, and I think there's potential for the other contract. So if you type in CZ, as I said, there is another contract. This is the website for the first one I'm talking about. So let's just close this so there's no confusion. This is the other one here. I'm going to keep this brief. Yeah, so this came out in November, so still relatively new. And the thing that's kind of exciting me about this one is the recent gains, like in price action here, a lot more activity. This is on the Ethereum mainnet, so you've got Ethereum here. So again, these are really tiny like market caps and the trading volume, for example. But the thing that excites me is just these prices here. You can see there's areas of resistance, so it hasn't really gone above that level, and I think there's a potential where the resistance could be broken. It could go higher. So I'll look over this over the next coming days. But I just wanted to bring this quick video out to you so you can make your own mind if you want to invest or not. I did hope that the next token I talk about wouldn't be kind of like a meme coin. But the thing is, my gaming one, which should be the next video, I want to not just concentrate on one video. I want to give you more value and more options in that video. So I've been kind of like putting bullet points, coming up with a kind of a semi-scripted video. At least that's what I'm planning. So that should come up in maybe later on today or early tomorrow. That's what I'm hoping for. So it's almost done. And of course, I'll try to get it out to those in my Telegram group. If you'd like to join, there's a link in the description below. And yeah, please leave a like on this video. Let me know what you think of this crypto, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Cheers.